The SES Engineering Studio offers a new, reusable, efficient, adaptable, and profitable way of managing the entire system lifecycle. During its inception, the Reuse company's engineers defended a different way to approach a system lifecycle management solution. Our customer will be able to define a complete system lifecycle by interconnecting the already existing engineering tools, today called silos, with the benefits of reusing skills, capabilities, and investments. SES conceives interconnectivity by offering maximal capabilities around connectivity and interoperability between connections. So, here comes our first core message. SES Engineering Studio will digitalize your lifecycle by defining workflows of connections to whatever of your already applied engineering tools. For example, you can define a workflow where the operational needs must be written in Microsoft Word. When the quality of the text is reaching a predefined level, it will be possible to define stakeholder requirements in Siemens Polarion, in parallel with iterating system requirements in IBM DOORS. If a particular traceability completeness is achieved between both requirement specifications, it will be possible to define a functional breakdown structure in Thales Capella. And we can continue till the end of the system lifecycle. Connect to whatever tool, provide KPIs and verification actions to allow workflow evolutions, and avoid the investment in mastering new tools. Time to finish. The SES Engineering Studio is defined based on several pillars. In this video, we have provided a brief description of the first one, connectivity. Once connectivity is achieved, let us introduce the second core message. Get much more of the connections by making them interoperate. In systems theory, interoperability between tools which digitalize different processes of the ISO 15288 standard enables the automatization of the development lifecycle. The Engineering Studio enables this theory and provides a really powerful framework for the automatization of the system lifecycle. For example, an engineer develops proper system requirements in Siemens Teamcenter and would like to automatically produce logical and/or functional models in MathWorks Simulink, completely traced with the originating requirements. Following with systems theory, interoperability between tools which digitalize the same process of the ISO 15288 standard enables the proper sharing of information between peers, tiers, OEM, or even client. For example, your team decided to define logical modeling using a SysML-based tool like Dassault System Cameo, but your client uses Thales Arcadia and Capella for managing logical modeling. No problem, send your Cameo model with confidence because it will be opened in Capella seamlessly. Time to finish. The Engineering Studio is defined based on several pillars. In this video, we have provided a brief description of the second one, interoperability. When the SES Engineering Studio has provided universal connectivity and unlimited interoperability, it is time to build more added value to the proposal. The ISO 15288, as well as the ISO 29110, clearly define a correlation between the technical processes and the technical management processes. The technical processes, like the stakeholders' requirements definition, the architectural design, system analysis, etc., must be qualified by applying technical management aspects to them. Each engineering work product must be properly treated. Its quality must be assessed and managed, as well as its versions, configurations, conflicts, and changes. In the same way, risks must be managed, together with information, knowledge, smart authoring, and even verification and validation. SES Engineering Studio digitalizes, manages, records, controls, and reports all these important aspects within every existing connection, providing full support to actual technical management processes as defined in the ISO 15288. In this context, are you interested in assessing quality of your system requirements written in IBM DOORS? Or assuring completeness and consistency of your models developed in Dassault Systèmes Cameo? Would you like to verify the system against a MathWorks Simulink model and requirements written in Siemens Polarion? Would you like to author requirements using patterns and ontologies inside PTC Windchill? Everything is possible, and even more when using SES Engineering Studio for managing the system lifecycle. Time to finish. SES Engineering Studio is defined based on several pillars. In this video, we have provided a brief description of the third one: technical management support for every single connection. Are you interested in this approach? Contact us directly.